Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever heard wild stories about maintenance software or wondered whether a CMMS is actually worth it, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down 10 of the biggest myths about CMMS, or computerized maintenance management systems, so you can make smarter decisions for your business. Let's dive right in and clear the air once and for all. Myth number 1. CMMS is too expensive for small businesses. Fact: a lot of people think only giant companies can afford CMMS, but there are plenty of flexible, budget-friendly solutions out there. Smaller businesses actually see big savings because organized maintenance means lower repair bills and longer equipment life. Myth number 2. CMMS implementation is complicated and takes forever. Fact: modern CMMS platforms are way more user-friendly and can be set up pretty quickly, especially with good vendor support. Most systems offer step-by-step onboarding and templates to get you started fast, so you won't lose weeks to set up. Myth number 3. Our team won't use it because it's hard to learn. Fact: if you can use a smartphone or basic computer apps, you can learn a CMMS. The best systems have simple dashboards, mobile access, and even video tutorials. With a little training, teams adjust quickly and start to appreciate how much easier their jobs get. Myth number 4. You'll lose control of data with a cloud-based CMMS. Fact: actually, cloud-based systems provide secure backups and let you access your data from anywhere. You stay in control, and cloud solutions often include automatic updates and data protection measures that keep your information safer than ever. Myth number 5. Only large manufacturing plants need CMMS. Fact: CMMS helps all kinds of organizations: hotels, hospitals, schools, property managers, and even small businesses. If you have equipment, assets, or facilities to manage, a CMMS is a smart investment no matter your size. Myth number 6. CMMS is just for work order tracking and nothing else. Fact: work orders are just the beginning. CMMS handles preventive maintenance schedules, tracks inventory, helps with compliance, collects historical asset data, and generates reports you can use for smart decision-making. Myth number 7. CMMS won't work with our old or unique equipment. Fact: most CMMS tools are highly customizable and can be adapted to track and manage the maintenance of any asset, old or new. You set up records, add custom checklists, and fit the software to your needs. Myth number 8. Paper and spreadsheets are good enough for maintenance. Fact: paper gets lost, spreadsheets get messy, and neither can automate or remind you of upcoming work. CMMS keeps everything in one place, sends reminders, and gives you instant access to past maintenance data whenever you need it. Myth number 9. You need in-house IT pros to maintain a CMMS. Fact: most CMMS platforms today are plug-and-play and don't need ongoing tech support. Vendor help and online resources make troubleshooting easy, so your regular staff can keep things running without a dedicated IT crew. Myth number 10. Using a CMMS means less flexibility for the team. Fact: the truth is, CMMS gives your team more freedom. Mobile access lets them update, close, and check tasks from anywhere, and you can customize workflows to match how you operate. It's about enhancing productivity and freeing up time, not creating extra rules. Alright, those were 10 CMMS myths busted. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you get more videos just like this one. Got other CMMS questions or myths you've heard about? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to dig in or bust a few more myths if you want a part 2. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart maintenance is smart business. See you next time.